which is, this part is called acyl with either Cl or Br with, what else do we
Lewis
need?
acid catalyst.
With the Lewis acid catalyst. And the acylated product can be converted into an alkylated product in 3 different ways. What are those 3 different ways?
H2 and PT.
Sure, or palladium or nickel. Don't be so hung up on the PT part. It could be platinum or palladium or nickel, but the point is, yeah, it's just a hydrogenation. It's pretty slow though. It's not the best way to do so. What are the other 2 ways we could?
NH2, NH2.
So the Wolff-Kishner reduction, right?
And Clemens.
Hydrazine, which is NH2, NH2, also N2H4, however it's written. What's used with this?
Potassium hydroxide.
KOH. And Clemenson, what does Clemenson use?
ZNHG.
H.
Zinc amalgam with,
HCl.
that's
Hydrochloric
under
acid.
acidic conditions, absolutely. And alkyl benzene can be converted into benzoic acid. How?
Na2CO207.
And there's a bunch of things we can do with benzoic acid that we haven't learned yet, so of course we can fill that in later on. Sorry, Carter, could you say that again? What did you say?
Sodium, Na2CR207.
So the chromic acid route, which uses
Plus
sulfuric acid, or what's the basic route? That's the acidic route. What's the basic route?
Chromic acid.
No, that's,
Potassium permanganate plus.
now potassium permanganate is always used in a basic environment, so we need hydroxide there. But here's the thing, if you have base and you have an acid created, will you get the acid?
We need hydrogen.
Exactly, so you need to, in that case, need to acidify everything so you can actually get the acid. Of course, there's a bunch of stuff, there's a whole chapter dedicated to carboxylic acids of like 2 or 3 chapters down the road, so we'll get back to that. And then we can, of course, also convert this to nitrobenzene using
HNO3 and H2SO4.
good, and the nitro group can be reduced to amino group.
SN and
Good, SN, or it can also be Fe in,
HCl.
it's an acidic conditions. But now again, the thing is, that's a base. This is an acid. So if you have base and acid together, will you get